Hello everyone. In last video we study about the introduction of alcohol, and in this video we have to study nomenclature of alcohol. As we all have the name, nickname, friend's name, and our house name, school name. So just like this, all compounds have their names in different types. So alcohol have the naming type, common system, carbonyl system, and IUPAC system. Okay. So first system is common system. In this system, alcohols are called alkyl alcohols. We have the alkyl group plus OH, then it makes the alkyl alcohol. Example is this CH3OH. Means CH3 means methyl, OH means alcohol. So this is known as methyl alcohol. Okay. Second example, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Here are 1, 2, 3 carbons. So it is known as pro. And according to alkyl group, we will write here propyl OH alcohol. Then it is propyl alcohol. Second type of nomenclature of alcohol is carbonyl system. Let's see what is carbonyl. When alkyl group is added with OH, then both of this known as carbonyl. In one word, we write this carbonyl. Let's see the example. CH3, CH2, OH. So here OH is linked with this CH2. So we will write this carbonyl. And here is one carbon, so it is meth, and we will write here methyl carbonyl. Okay. Let's see the second example. We have CH3, CH2, CH. Here OH is linked with this carbon, and here is CH3. So then OH is linked with this carbon. Then we will write this carbonyl. Here is one carbon, we will write this methyl, and here is C2H5. This 2 carbons and 5 hydrogens, and it makes the C2H5. It means it is ethyl. So then the name of this alcohol is ethyl methyl carbonyl. I think you all will have understand this. Then most important nomenclature is IUPAC. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, which gives the international naming to all chemical compounds. Okay. According to this nomenclature, we have alkane plus all. Then we will name it alkanol. Okay. Example of NCERT. Let's see the example of NCERT. And CH3, CH, 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 CH2, OH. And in the second carbon, CH3 added, third carbon CH3 added, and on the fourth carbon Cl is linked. We will name it 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 carbon is chlorine. We name in IUPAC chlorine, chloro. We will write here 4 chloro. 2, we have 2 methyl. Okay, CH3, CH3. We will write here 2, 3 dimethyl. Dimethyl is representing the 2 methyls. So then 2, 3 dimethyl. Here are 5 carbons, so we will write here pentane. Ane is representing the single bond in this chain, pentane, and all is OH group is linked with first carbon, so we will write here 1 all, and the name of this alcohol is 4-chloro-2,3-dimethylpentane 1 all. Okay, and the second example CH3 CH3, and on the second carbon OH is linked, so 1 2 3 carbons. Then we will name it prop, and here is single bond between all of carbon, propane 2, and the second carbon is OH link, so we will write here 2 all, propane 2 all. Here is example of a secondary alcohol, CH3 CHO. In last video I told you secondary alcohol are like this. Then we will count from here 1 2 3. Okay, then it is propane, on the second carbon is OH, propane 2 OL, and the simple name of this alcohol is isopropyl alcohol. Okay, in common system. I think you all have understand this. Please like, share and comment this video, and if you have any query about this video or any question, then you can ask me in comment box. Okay, thank you.